Are you tired of feeling stuck financially and want to find a way to earn extra income without leaving your home? What if I told you there is a simple method to turn your everyday activities into cash? Interact, stick around because in just a few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money online today. So earning money using the concept of a kick restore call to action involves effectively motivating your audience to take actions that can generate revenue for you. Here are several ways to incorporate a kick to earn money, especially in the context of online content creation, marketing, and sales. So, first of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into the Akik affiliate program. So this is a homepage. You have your contact reports. You can choose the language you want. You can search also about the article or other things. So here we have also our collections, STEM resources, how to become Akik affiliate and enable subscriptions. And here we have how to become a Kik affiliate and enable subscriptions. How to become an affiliate on Kik.com. How to enable subscriptions on my Kik channel. Affiliates are Kik content creators who have streamed for more than 5 hours and have 75 or more followers. Once you are an affiliate, you can set up your sub button and start receiving revenue and paid subscriptions. You can check the progress of your affiliate status by logging into your Kik account and heading over to achievement. So first of all you have to do is click over kick.com. So this is the homepage. Once you have reached the minimum requirement, the enable subscriptions button will become available. So let's click over here or just dive into kick.com. So this is the homepage. This is my account because I already signed up. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over sign up. We have here button of sign up after inscriptions, and we have here login if you want to find account. So you have to click in sign up, then you write your email, your password, your username, and you confirm that in your email, and you start earning money with Kick. So we have here other things like pros. Here we have category, live channel, and clips. Then we have following also. We have live category and channel, and here we search about the video that we want. Also, here we have other options like channel. We can just shut here and ask about what you want. Then we have here creator dashboard also. Also, we have here subscriptions. If we have payment history, payment methods. Also, we have settings as you can see, and there is for these four options. And if you want to log out, you can just click over log out and you log out. So here we have some steps to earn money with Kick. So first of all, we have affiliate marketing. So we promote products or services and include a unique affiliate link. When viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Then also we have product sales. You can sell physical or digital products such as merchandise, ebooks, courses, or exclusive content to get prompt viewers to make a purchase. The third one, we have sponsored content. Partner with brands and promote their products or services. The Kick encourages viewers to engage with the sponsor, often leading to sales or sign-ups. The fourth one, we have donations and crowdfunding. How it works: platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, or direct PayPal donations allow viewers to financially support creators. The Kick encourages contributions by highlighting the benefits or gratitude. The fifth one, we have ad revenue. On platforms like YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue. Look, can remind viewers that watching ads helps support your content. Also, we have subscription and memberships. Offer exclusive content or perks for paid subscribers or members. The Kick highlighting the benefits of subscribing or joining. And also we have online courses, charge a fee for access workshops or courses to give prompt viewers to sign up or register. We have the last one is live streams and super chats. During live streams, viewers can donate through platforms like YouTube Super Chat, where their messages are highlighted. So this is it for how you can earn money with Kick. So let's give in some tips for an effective kick. So first of all, you have to be clear and direct. Clearly state what action you want the audience to take. Create urgency. Use phrases like limited time, exclusive offer, or act now to encourage immediate action. Then we have highlight benefits. Explain what's in it for the audience, whether it's a discount, exclusive content, or supporting a cause. Then you have to be genuine. Authenticity resonates with audiences, so be sincere in your apples. So earning money on Kick or any similar platform can have several benefits. First, we have flexibility. Many platforms offer the ability to set your own hours and work from anywhere, which can be ideal for balancing work with other commitments. Also, we have diverse income streams. By leveraging a platform like Kick, you can diversify your sources of income, reducing reliance on a single job or business venture. And we have lower barrier to entry. Depending on the platform, starting might require minimal upfront investment compared to traditional businesses. Furthermore, we have community and networking. You often have the opportunity to connect with a community of like-minded individuals, which can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and support. Moreover, we have skill development. Working on such platform can help you develop valuable skills in areas like digital marketing, content creation, and online engagement. Also, we have scalability. Depending on your approach, there might be opportunities to scale your earnings by expanding your reach or diversifying your offerings. And we have potential for passive income. In some cases, you might be able to create content or set up systems that generate passive income over time. Finally, we have the last one is global reach. Many platforms provide access to a global audience, which can help you grow your presence and revenue beyond local markets. So you can just start earning money on platform like Kick offers flexibility, diverse income streams, and opportunities for skill development. It typically has a low barrier to entry and can provide access to a global audience. This approach can be advantageous for balancing work with other commitments and potentially scaling your earnings over time. However, success often depends on the effort you put in and how well you leverage the platform's features and opportunities. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.